Embark on a journey to master social media marketing, from understanding its core to crafting strategies for your startup. Learn the art of content creation, build trust with your audience, and witness the power of social media in boosting sales. Let's dive into practical steps, backed by real-world examples, to kickstart your social media marketing success. In the digital landscape, social media marketing serves as a dynamic force, connecting businesses with their audience. At its core, it's about leveraging various social platforms to achieve specific objectives. Let's explore the fundamental workings and key objectives that make social media marketing an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. Social media marketing involves utilizing platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect, engage, and promote. It's not just about broadcasting messages but fostering meaningful interactions with your audience. The mechanism is intricate, relying on engaging content, strategic timing, and understanding algorithms. By creating valuable content and interacting with your audience, you amplify your brand's visibility and relevance in the vast sea of social media. Now, let's uncover the key objectives driving social media marketing strategies. These objectives serve as guiding lights, shaping your approach and influencing the impact your brand makes in the digital space. Brand awareness. Build a robust online presence and ensure your brand is top of mind when your audience thinks about products or services you offer. Audience engagement. Foster meaningful interactions, discussions, and connections with your audience, creating a loyal and engaged community around your brand. Traffic generation. Drive traffic to your website or specific landing pages, converting social media engagement into actionable steps and potential leads. Lead generation. Capture valuable leads by strategically using social media channels to entice your audience into exploring your products or services further. Sales conversion. Turn engagement and leads into actual sales by providing a seamless and persuasive path for your audience to become customers. Customer retention. Nurture existing customers, ensuring they stay loyal to your brand through ongoing engagement and support. Now that we've unraveled the essence of social media marketing, let's delve into why it holds paramount importance for businesses. Understanding the significance of an effective social media strategy sets the stage for leveraging its full potential. Effective social media marketing is not just a trend, it's a strategic imperative for businesses looking to thrive in the digital age. Let's explore the key reasons why it's a game changer. Effective social media marketing is not just a trend, it's a strategic imperative for businesses looking to thrive in the digital age. Let's explore the key reasons why it's a game changer. Global reach and local impact. Social media provides a platform for global visibility, allowing businesses to reach audiences worldwide. Simultaneously, it offers a unique opportunity to make a local impact, connecting with communities on a personal level. Targeted audience engagement. Through advanced targeting tools, businesses can tailor their content to specific demographics, ensuring that their message resonates with the right audience, leading to meaningful engagement. Cost-effective marketing. Compared to traditional advertising, social media marketing offers a cost-effective way to promote products or services. It provides a level playing field, allowing small businesses to compete with larger counterparts. Real-time interaction. The real-time nature of social media fosters immediate interaction. Businesses can address customer queries, gather feedback, and stay agile in responding to market trends. Brand authenticity. Building a genuine and authentic brand is crucial. Social media allows businesses to showcase their values, culture, and personality, fostering a deeper connection with their audience. Now that we understand the crucial role of social media marketing, let's embark on a journey tailored for startup success. We'll explore a strategic blueprint, providing step-by-step guidance, and align our insights with real-world examples to illuminate the path for startups. Marketing a startup on social media requires a well-crafted strategy. Let's break down the steps to ensure a strong foundation for success. Define your goals. Start by clearly defining your goals. Whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or community building, a well-defined goal serves as the compass for your social media journey. Identify your target audience. Understanding your audience is paramount. Create detailed buyer personas to tailor your content and engagement strategies, ensuring they resonate with your target demographic. Choose the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Identify the platforms where your audience is most active and tailor your content to suit each platform's nuances. Content calendar and consistency. Develop a content calendar to maintain a consistent presence. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Align your content with your overall brand narrative. Let's explore a real-world example. Imagine a startup named Spark Tech Solutions, aiming to provide innovative tech solutions for small businesses. By defining clear goals, identifying their target audience of small business owners, leveraging platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter, and maintaining a consistent content calendar with insightful tech tips, Spark Tech Solutions managed to build a solid online presence, attracting clients and establishing credibility in their niche. Audience engagement is deeply intertwined with trust. When your audience trusts your brand, they are more likely to engage with your content, participate in discussions, and even become ambassadors for your products or services. Trust transforms passive followers into actively engaged community members. Now, let's explore the actionable steps to build trust effectively. Authenticity matters. Be genuine and authentic in your interactions. Share behind-the-scenes content, customer testimonials, and the human side of your brand. Consistent branding. Maintain a consistent brand image across all platforms. Consistency breeds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. Transparent communication. Be transparent about your business practices, values, and any challenges you may face. Open communication fosters trust. Customer-centric approach. Prioritize customer needs. Actively listen to feedback, address concerns, and showcase your commitment to customer satisfaction. Deliver value. Provide valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves problems. A brand that consistently adds value becomes a trusted resource. Elevate your business with social media mastery. As we conclude our social media odyssey, you're now armed with strategies to propel your startup into the digital spotlight. Harness the art of content creation, build lasting trust with your audience, and let the ripple effect of social media boost your sales. Your success story starts now. Share it with the world.